Hello everyone, welcome to Aerilab. This tutorial will show you how to use the video feature to turn an image into a video and how to extend a video. Let's check it out. Select the video feature, then drag or upload your image into the box. There are preset camera movement templates available. If none of them fit, you can turn off the templates and enter prompts by yourself. Here I'm choosing the tilt-up camera movement and enter some prompts to guide the generation. You can also leave it blank. Click Generate and after a few minutes, the video will be ready. Extend video. Drag the generated video into the box. Choose a camera movement. Prompts are optional. Click the Extend Video button. And after a few minutes, the extended video will be ready. The results look great. Give it a try yourself.